convene this forum so that we can sit down and come up with uniform laws across the 5 counties. In fact, the County Assembly of Nyandarua did come to see me, telling me that since they didn't have a law in place, they had already crafted something and they wanted to go ahead. And I did implore upon them to exercise some little patience to allow us have this discussion so that we can also improve that law and also make amendments in the other laws in the 4 other counties so that we have uniform laws that will help us. So ladies and gentlemen, you have a date with history, you have a date with destiny. For those of us who come from the Central Kenya region, you all know the cry of our mothers, you know the cry of our women, you know the desperation of our young people. You know how desperate the situation is. And the entire population is urging us to provide leadership, step forward, and save the next generation. Leadership is about interventions. Leadership is about showing the way. You cannot be a leader who keeps on lamenting and you cannot offer a solution. We cannot accept a situation where our mothers are crying, the women are crying, and we as leaders have no solution. You have no business being in leadership if you cannot be bold enough to take a step and offer a solution. So for the men and women in this room today, history will judge you very favorably if from this sitting for the next 3 days, you come up with laws that are stringent, that are effective to bring down the consumption of illicit brews and drugs in our 5 counties. And I can tell you, because we must succeed, when the history of the Central Kenya region is written and how the region was almost being wiped out by illicit brews and drugs, and there were some men and women who came together to create interventions to save that group of people, you will have written your own chapter in the history of the region. These opportunities do not happen every day. You have a date with the destiny. So we have asked you to come here, and we have brought the members of the County Assembly. We have asked the senators to be here because they oversight what the counties do. We have requested our lawyers from the region in the National Assembly because they understand the law and they